Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites so the phone can vibrate reliably. Check model and OS, ensure battery above 10%, and turn off Do Not Disturb. Next, open Settings and navigate to Sound and Vibration or the Accessibility section. This is where vibration lives on most phones. Once there, make sure System Vibration is enabled. This allows calls, notifications, and haptics to trigger. If you see separate toggles for calls and notifications, enable both so nothing is missed. Now you refine how vibration behaves by picking the right category: calls, notifications, or touch feedback. Once selected, choose a built-in pattern for quick setup or create a custom pattern by tapping the recorder. This lets you encode different sequences for urgency. Make sure to adjust intensity and duration sliders when available, because stronger motors may need lower intensity for comfort. After each change, use the preview or test button so you can feel and compare patterns immediately. This confirms settings work as finish by testing every relevant trigger. Place a test call, set an alarm, and send a notification so you verify calls and alerts vibrate. If vibration still fails, restart the phone and check for pending system updates. Software bugs can disable haptics. Make sure accessibility or app-level notification permissions aren't blocking vibration. If the issue persists, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps, and if hardware seems dead, consider visiting service, since the vibration motor may need repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.